videos that we've seen, I use Final Cut to stabilize the video. So now this time I want to try this stabilizer on smooth floor to see if this can help with my shaky problem. Now I want to do a little unboxing. I want to show you everything we got. Chewing gum, candies, Kinder, Pocky, something to drink, something to use, tissue paper, condoms, girl stuff, mask, soap, face wash. Let's get something to eat. This noodle, have fish balls. Next step, I'm going to pay. Now I'm going to use my WeChat. And it's paid. It says window 2, I'll get my noodles. Cool. Here it said it's making. You can also scan this QR code for customer service. Just very nice experience. Super okay.
Wow.